Let me show you one of the most useful functions on the calculator, and that is the store button. It's located right in this bottom corner, all right, next to the 1. You don't need to press any alpha or second. It's the function right here, STO for store. This is a great button. It has many, many uses. It's very useful if you are trying to check answers. I know we always, as math teachers, tell you to go back and check your answer. The other thing it's great for is testing answers. If you're given a list of answers, you can actually use this button to see which one is the correct answer. The way you use this function on the calculator, the steps for using it are as follows. You're going to type the number you want to store. You're going to press the store button, and then you enter the variable that you want it to be stored for. All right, so let me show you how this works. I have a couple examples, and then I'll show you some problems. Here's the first example. All right, 3x minus 7 when x is 11. Now that's not a very difficult problem. You would probably on a quiz just do this yourself and go 3 times 11. My pen's obviously not going to work. Minus 7, 33 minus 7, and then we get our answer of 26. Here's how the calculator would help us. First, we're going to go here and we are going to type the number we want to store. The number we want to store is 11. So on the calculator, I first type the number 11. Then I am going to press the store button. All right, so the store is right here. I press store, and it gives me a little arrow. And then I enter the variable you want the value stored as. So I want to store this as x. And our x button is right here, and I press it. Now, anytime the calculator sees an x, it's going to give me 11 for the value. So I can simply, for this problem, type in 3x minus 7, and there's my answer of 26. Now you might be looking at this problem and say, well, I would do that in my head. Well, let's say we were given this problem where it said 3.2 is x, and we have a quadratic 5x squared minus 4x plus 5. We can do this by hand. We can use our calculator and type it all out, but it's a little bit easier to just go 3.2 store x, and then go, I have all my answers set to fractions. I want them as decimals. All right, 3.2, and then I go 5x squared minus 4x plus 5. All right, let's start this over.